You should get these at Nickel City when you get like 78. Hey, stop! No! 7,800.
Say hi, Christina.
You get 7,500 and then you get these. These.
What is that, Pauline?
Oh, these. Good question. These are a phone. Well, this is a pink lip gloss. Well, there's lip gloss in it. This is a pink lip gloss, blue lip gloss, purple lip gloss, and this is a yellow lip gloss. And they smell so good. And you can only buy it at Nickel City. Oh. Well, they have a blue one of them, a pink one, or a purple one. And I don't want to show this thing first. I should go. And toodles! I'll see you at Nickel City to buy one of these phones. Bye!